Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Tracktor for delivery notifications and reduce tickets, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Tracktor for delivery notifications and reduce tickets, start by logging into your Tracktor account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the settings icon in the top right corner and click on it. In the settings menu, locate the notifications section. Click on notifications to open the configuration options. Here, you will see various notification settings. Find the option for delivery notifications. Toggle the delivery notifications to on. Next, scroll down to the ticket management section. Look for the setting related to reduced tickets. Enable the reduced tickets option by clicking on the toggle. After making these changes, review all notification settings to ensure they are correct. Once you are satisfied with the settings, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click on the Save Changes button to apply your modifications. To test the notifications, place a test order within Tracktor. Monitor your email or mobile device for the delivery notification you set up. Additionally, check the ticketing system for any updates regarding reduced tickets. If everything is functioning properly, your setup is complete. You have now successfully enabled Tracktor for delivery notifications and reduced tickets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.